Pagbilan na po.
Ano pa gusto nyo?
Malaki na cone. Tsaka yung toppings ay, kulay brown. Tsaka yung ice cream ay grapes. Tsaka yung stick o ay, purple. Dalawa. Thank you.
Purple.
Should I eat now?
And what more?
Oh, ano po lalagyan ng ice cream?
Yan, nakalagay na.
Ano naman ganyan eh? Kukunin mo yan. Ito po. And 2 toppings. 2 purple.
We don't have any purple. There's only one.
How about blue na lang?
One
And
purple
blue.
and one blue. Okay, it's done.
Wala ka.
Ito na po.
Thank you.